I've taken a spoon ball and cut off the handle portion of it, just leaving a little bit of it at the top. And now I'm running it through the rolling mill, quarter turn tightening every time I put it back through. I just give it 1/4 turn and tighten up the rollers. You want to make it an even thickness all the way across. The paper pattern punches out easily as it's perforated. Lay that on top of the flattened bowl and roll it through the mill. And there you have your pattern. Just a real quick buff with some 000 steel wool. Now we're going to head to the sink and add some patina with the liver of sulfur gel. This is a concentrated gel. You can add it in water and soak your pieces in water, or you can just brush it on in this fashion. And I run it under hot water as it makes the product work much quicker. You want to rinse that off in some water with a little bit of baking soda in it to neutralize the patina and keep it from continuing to darken. Then I buff it up with some 000 steel wool. I've got a 7 to 9 millimeter bail making plier, and I'm just turning over that bit of tail section there that was the handle, and that's going to be the bail for the pendant. Just using a punch here to mark where I'm going to drill holes. And took it over to the drill press and drilled the appropriate size holes. These are 4 millimeter crystal rivets, and I'm just choosing some at random, putting each one through the hole and snapping the cap onto the back. Once that's all done, then I'm using the crystal rivet pliers, setting the crystal into the 4 millimeter pocket and giving it a good squeeze. Because the metal is so thin, I'm going to show you a little trick that'll help tighten things up, because you'll probably find that the rivets are going to be a little wobbly. So put your rivet through, take a 4 millimeter stainless steel jump ring, set that over the post, then put your cap on, and then squeeze. And then I'm using a rubber block to protect the crystal and tapping it with a stubby hammer on the back to tighten everything up.